In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Confluence tables. Let's start from the very beginning so everything is clear and easy to follow. First, log into your Confluence account. Once you're in, select the space you want to work with and open the page that contains the table you're editing. If you're creating a new table, that's fine too. The behavior is the same. By default, Confluence wraps text inside table cells. That means when you type a long sentence, the cell will expand vertically and the text will flow onto the next line as soon as it reaches the right edge of the cell. In most cases, you don't have to turn anything on. It just works automatically. If you test this by typing a normal sentence, you should see it wrap and the row get taller to accommodate the content. If your text isn't wrapping or you notice your table stretching off the screen horizontally, there are a couple of common reasons. The first is unbroken strings. Confluence can't wrap what it considers a single word if it's too long. This often happens with very long URLs or a line of code pasted without spaces. To handle this cleanly, convert the URL into a link with readable text or format long code as inline code. To do that, highlight the text and press Command or Control Shift and M. Inline code styling helps Confluence treat it in a way that avoids breaking your table layout and keeps the content more readable. Another situation is alignment. Sometimes the text is wrapping, but it looks off. Maybe it's stuck at the bottom of a tall cell or not centered the way you'd expect. In that case, highlight the text in the cell, go up to the top toolbar, and adjust the alignment. You can set it to top, middle, or bottom, as well as left, center, or right, depending on the layout you want. This doesn't affect wrapping itself, but it makes your table look correct and easier to read. Finally, if you want to control exactly where a line wraps inside a cell, you can insert a manual line break. Place your cursor where you want the text to break and press Shift plus Enter. This creates a soft return that moves the rest of the text to the next line without starting a new paragraph or list item. That's all you need to keep text wrapping neatly in Confluence tables. Thanks for watching.